Unicorns are real, but it's not what you think. The narwhal, often called the unicorn of the sea, is one of the ocean's most mysterious creatures. Its iconic tusk, which can grow up to 10 feet long, is actually an elongated tooth filled with sensory nerves, helping it detect changes in its Arctic environment. These whales are masters of the deep, diving over a mile beneath the ice in search of fish and squid. Narwhals communicate with clicks and whistles, creating a haunting symphony beneath the frozen waters. Rare and elusive, they symbolize the wonder of the Arctic, blending myth and reality in a single majestic creature. Like and subscribe for more amazing videos.